excuse me. Can I have your time? Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Dini Apriliani. I'm from Social Studies Education at Indonesian University of Education. Today, I would like to ask some question and hear your opinion. But first, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Salma Hanifa from Food Technology at the Indonesian University of Education.
Okay, thank you, Salma. First question: what do you think about Deddy Mulyadi's idea to send a children to a camp to learn discipline? Do you agree or disagree, and why?
I think it's a good idea if the camp is safe and educational, and I agree because sometimes children need structure to learn about discipline.
The second question: if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what is the first thing you will do? Why?
I will help poor families first because everyone deserves a better life.
Okay, thank you, Salma, for your sharing and for your opinion. Nice to meet you and have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Iza Aziza Tanjung. I study Social Studies Education at Indonesian University of Education. Thank you for joining in this interview. Today I would like to ask some questions and hear your opinion.
Okay.
But first, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Fatia from Computer Science student Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and I'm here as Iza's friend to answer her questions.
Okay, let's start the interview.
Alright.
Okay, the first question is, what do you think about Deddy Mulyadi idea to send children to a camp to learn discipline? Do you agree or not, and why?
Actually, I prefer to agree. Like, in my opinion, I believe that this military-style barrack policy is a bold and unconventional approach to tackling delinquency by combining discipline, education, and character building in a controlled environment. The program aims to reform troubled teenagers effectively. Like, however, such policies must be implemented with careful attention to children's rights, psychology well-being, and long-term educational outcome. If done probably, I trust like this initiative could serve as a model for alternative rehabilitation methods in Indonesia.
Okay, the second question is, if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what is the first thing you would do?
Oh, good. If I became the Minister of Social Affairs, I will focus on creating inclusive social protection program that empower vulnerable communities. I will invest in accessible mental health service, support for disabled individuals, and digital literacy for low-income families. So my priority will be to build a social system that does not just provide it, but also create opportunities for people to grow, be dependent, and contribute meaningful to society. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your opinion. I really appreciate your time and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Anissa, a second semester student majoring in Social Science Education. Today, I'm having a casual chat with one of my friends about a topic that's been quite popular lately, especially when it comes to kids and discipline. But before we dive into it, could you introduce yourself real quick so everyone know who you are?
Hi guys! Sure, my name is Gina. I'm really glad to be here and join this little talk. Thanks Anissa for inviting me. Excited to sharing some thoughts today.
Awesome, thanks Gina. Alright, let's jump right into the first question. What do you think about Deddy Mulyadi's idea of sending kids to a camp to learn discipline? Do you agree or disagree, and why?
I think it's actually a pretty decent idea as long as it's done the right way. Agree if the camp is designed to be a fun, positive environment, not like some kind of push name center. Sometimes kids just need the right activity to guide them, not harsh discipline. But yeah, Not every child in the same. Some kids act out because of stuff going to at home or because they just need attention. That's why I think empathy and the more human approach are super important too.
Now, into the second question. Let's say you were the Minister of Social Affairs. What's the very first thing you do and why?
Whoa, that's a big one, but I like it. Think the very first thing I did focus on the making mental health service more accessible, especially for young people these days. A lot of people need help but don't know where to go. And many social problems start from mental health issue that go underneath. So yeah, I did make sure people feel heard, supported, and not alone.
Alright, that's it for today. Talk. See you all next time in another episode of This Little Conversation. Thank you.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Ram.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, can I take your time? Okay, so I have the question. First question, what is your opinion about Deddy Mulyadi idea to send children to a camp to learn about discipline? Are you agree about that?
Yes.
Okay, why? Okay, the second question. If you are the Minister of Social Affairs, what things you do? Okay, thank you, Pak.
Hello, my name is Kaisa Haura Rajahinan. I'm a college student from Social Studies Education major at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Thank you for joining this interview. Today, I will ask some question. Before we start, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Aksana Regia Glentar from accounting major at Telkom University.
For the first question, what do you think about Deddy Mulyadi's idea to send children to a camp to learn discipline? Do you agree or not, and why?
Okay, obviously I'm agree with that statement. The camp designed to teach discipline can offer a focus on the children. The children can learn responsibility, teamwork, and self-control during this camp. I think most of children today are heavily exposed to the gadget. A camp can provide a much-needed break and encourage more physical and social activity.
And the second question is, if you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what is the first thing you would do and why?
Okay, if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I will develop our program to address specific challenge. For example, a program that focuses on providing job training and access to microfinance. A health program may focus on improving access to healthcare facilities, increasing health education, or providing preventive care.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your opinion.
Okay, thank you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Iza. Now I would like to hear my opinion. I agree with Deddy Mulyadi's idea to send children to a camp to learn discipline for a few reasons. First, at camp, children can learn important life skills like teamwork, time management, and being independent. And things that not always taught camp school. Second, it helps children take a break from their phone or gadget and connect more with nature and the real world. And third, camp activities that are organized and have responsibilities can help to build good character like being patient, strong, respectful, and these are very useful for their future. And If I become the Minister of Social Affairs, I will focus on three main things. One, give to the right people. I will make sure that aid like food and money goes to the people who really need it without being mixtures. Two, protect vulnerable groups. I will help see children, the elderly, and people with disabilities access to get education, healthcare, and job opportunities. And three, support economic independence. I will create training programs and support small business, and so people can earn their own money and not always depend on help. Okay.
If I were Minister of Social Affairs, the first thing I will do is strengthen social assistance for the most vulnerable children and elderly, because they are the groups that need the most protection. Many children are still malnourished, and many elderly people live alone without support. Focusing on them can have a big impact on the future of the nation and show that the state is there for everyone. In my opinion, Deddy Mulyadi's idea of sending children to camps to learn discipline could be a good thing as long as it is done with a positive and educational approach, because children do need guidance and character building from an early age. However, I do not agree if the method is too harsh or make children feel punished. There must still be an element of affection and understanding, not just punishment. So, I agree, but with a note, the program must be human and constructive and not scary.
Hello, my name is Naila Atullah Muslim, and here I would like to share my opinion about Deddy Mulyadi's decision. In my opinion, this decision is very brave but also makes sense in several ways. Deddy Mulyadi believes that discipline and strong character is cannot always tough at home, because every child has a different personality and learn with the different ways. By sending his child to military environment, he provides to give the real life experience that can build the sense of independence, responsibility, and self-control. Based on my personal experience, I have a male friend who is very energetic, and he even had an excessive amount of energy because there was no access at school to help him channel his energy. He always disturbing his friend and playing prank on them. However, when he attending a military school, he finally found a place to channel his energy through structure and meaningful physical activities. And I see the big change of him. He become like organized, polite, and well disciplined. In this case, I can understand Mr. Deddy Mulyadi's decision to send his child to military camp to learn discipline, and I believe this could be a good solution for children who are difficult to guide. Instead of letting them fall into wrong environment, it's better to direct them into a strict, structured, and positive environment.
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, the first thing I'd do is fix the data system for social assistance. Accurate data is so important because many people who actually need help don't get it. I'd focus on making the system more transparent and efficient. Maybe by using technology so all other programs can run better based on that. I actually think that Deddy Mulyadi's idea to sending kids to a camp to learn discipline is quite interesting. Sometimes children need a different environment to really understand values like responsibility and teamwork. As long as the method is positive and not too harsh, I agree with that. It could be a valuable experience for their personal growth.
Hello, I'm Kaisa. Now I want to share my opinion. I agree with Dedi Mulyadi's program that sends children to a camp to be trained in discipline. Because, in my opinion, at camp children can learn discipline and add new experience. They can learn to be more organized, independent, and responsible. At camp, they also have the opportunity to get to know new friends. And if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, the first thing I would do is conduct a comprehensive assessment of the most pressing social issues in Indonesia. This includes data on poverty, social inequality, the welfare of children and the elderly, and access to basic service. Why? Because a good policy must be based on accurate data. If we understand the real condition and root causes, we can create programs that are effective, sustainable, and fair. After that, I would strengthen coordination with other ministries and local government to ensure that social welfare programs are integrated and not working in isolation. The goal is to create a more inclusive social safety net for vulnerable groups.